Yo, what's up, people? Today I wanted to show you the 3D printed suppressor I made for an upcoming project and a new material I've never used before. So to make it, I just quickly copied and redesigned a suppressor off of Thingiverse and made it so I could fill it with foam because that's what I needed for the project. And it came out quite nicely, and I'm going to talk about it and tell you why this piece of plastic is special. Alright guys, so it's 9 o'clock the night before this video goes up, and this print unfortunately has a few more hours to go, so I won't be able to show you the finished product. For now, I'll just talk a little bit about the filament I'm using, which is something I've never tried before in my short time 3D printing. This is eSun PLA Plus. It's supposed to be as easy to print as regular PLA, and so far it seems like it is. I haven't tested the actual strength of this compared to normal PLA, but just feeling the suppressor, it seems like it's quite strong, and from what I've heard and seen, it must be very strong because it's used in a wide range of applications that even include 3D printed gun parts, which is quite incredible. Anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today. This video is a bit rushed, but next week should be great. I just gotta get some materials, and I'll be set. Like and subscribe. See you guys.